Hello, and welcome back to our Introduction to Programming with Python series. In this video, you're going to write your first Python program. So before you can do that, you have to launch the Python app that you just installed. So we search, we press our Windows key, then we search for Python. Then we launch it. Okay, so this is the command interface for the Python app that you just installed. These are one of the many ways that you can write your Python codes. You'll be looking at other different ways, also using IDEs and then using web interpreters also. So let's write this line of code. Print parenthesis, double quotation marks, hello. And let's execute the code by pressing the enter key. Congratulations on writing your first ever Python program. So in this Python program, we use the print function, which is a function in Python that allows us to output or display information to the outside world. And then we use this function to print the text hello, world to the outside world. Congratulations. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to write your Python scripts or Python codes with IDEs and then web interpreters.